Welcome to the Toyota RAV4 Seat Covers Installation Guide video. Check if you have all the front and rear seat covers and other accessories. Take out the metal hooks from the front headrest cover. Bring down the seat back. Press the tab to remove the headrest. Unzip the driver's seat backrest cover and slide it over the front seat backrest. Distinguish the driver's and passenger's seat backrest cover by checking the airbag tag at the door side. Tuck the rear of the backrest cover into the gap and pull it out from behind. Zip up the seat cover on the side of the seat. Connect the metal hooks respectively to the two elastic straps. Hang the two metal hooks on the edge of the back pocket. Pull out the rear of the backrest cover from the back of the seat and stick the ends together. Install the driver's seat cushion. The position of the cloth bag can distinguish the driver's seat cushion from the passenger seat cushion. Connect the metal hook to the elastic strap. The elastic strap of the driver's seat cushion is close to the armrest case. Later, when you hook the other two hooks, hook this hook under the seat. Tuck the rear of the driver's seat cushion into the gap and pull it out from behind. Tuck the rear of the driver's seat cushion into the gap and pull it out from behind. Pull out the rear of the driver's seat cushion from the back of the seat. Tuck the cloth bag and the edge of the driver's seat cushion into the gap. Insert the two knitting straps at the front of the seat cushion through the gap in the front of the seat and pull them out from below. Pass the two knitting straps from the bottom of the seat to the back of the seat. Note that when you pass through the two knitting straps under the seat, be sure that they are closed to the bottom surface of the seat. Pass the knitting strap through the plastic tension lock and pull it forward to tighten the knitting strap. Another one is done in the same way. Hook the metal hooks underneath the base and avoid electric wires. When installing the front headrest cover, it's pretty tight when half loaded. And don't pull it hard at this time. Otherwise, it's easy to break the headrest cover. Pull it down slowly from all around. The driver's seat cover has been installed. Install the front passenger seat cover in the same way. Press the tab to remove the headrest. Unzip the rear seat backrest cover and slide it over the rear backrest. the two straps and the end of the backrest seat cover into the gap and pull them out from behind. Pull the two knitting straps out and stick them on the cloth. Install the other rear seat backrest cover. Pass the rear seat backrest cover through the seat belt and slide it over the rear backrest. Tuck the straps and the end of the backrest seat cover into the gap and pull them out from behind. Pull the knitting straps out and stick them on the cloth. Lift up the left side of the bench. Lift up the right side of the bench. Lift up the bench and press it down diagonally towards the inside, and then you can take it out. Set the seat cover on the bench well and then turn it over. Connect the 5 knitting straps to the plastic tension lock. Note that the knitting straps on both sides should go through the elastic straps holes on both sides. Reinstall the bench. Put the seat buckles back to correct positions. Push the bench backward to match the 2 locks on the edge. Then push it inward and press it downward. When you hear a click, it means that the seat is locked successfully. Install the front armrest case cover.